guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Vivy Mutheu. If you are new here, if you're not new, if you're a returning subby, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate you. So as you've seen from the title of the video, we are going to be doing distressed butterfly locks using hair from Sister Kenya. This is the series BRAID. So this video is sponsored by Sister Kenya, and you'd want to stick around to the end of the video because I have a giveaway, and for you to know what it's about, you need to stick around to the end of the video. Anyway, so let me talk about this hair. So let me show you how the hair looks inside. This is how it looks. I love this color. This is in the color 2/30. I love this color. I've used this color in one of my wigs. If you've been here for a minute, you've seen this hair before. It's my absolute love. I love it. It's super versatile. You can do spring twists, passion twists, wigs, afro wigs, and clearly you can do locks with it. So let me turn around and show you the mini braids that I did, just so that it can be easier for me, instead of, because I can't see my head, it's easier for me to part like this and just now start crocheting in and out. Now can you see how many they are? They are 63. Yo, this took me 2 hours. Whoa. And they're so neat. I used the molding wax from Super Cosmetics. Yes, from Super Cosmetics or Bestlady, you can get it. That was only 350 bob, so super affordable. Affordability at its best. As you can see, this is how the color looks. Honestly, when I was starting this, I didn't think it would come out this good. Like, I knew it would look good, but when I started, I was a bit scared, and then it came out beautiful. Anyway, so I'm going to show you the last one. So I took a piece of the hair. Now this is a piece I had just left out just for demonstration. So I took a piece. Have you seen how I ripped it? You can just go back and see how I ripped it, because if you rip it slowly, it's going to tangle. The only way to do it is to just rip it all at once, like with a lot of force. I stretch it out a little bit, and then I'm going to use my crocheting hook to put it through my mini braid. I really adore this color. I have no regrets about this color. This color is absolutely gorgeous. It goes with the skin tone. It can go with light skin tones or dark skin tones. I love it. Plus, because this hair is a bit springy and afro-y, it's not too much work to get it to look distressed. Yes, because if I was using straight hair, like Kanekalon hair, it would be really hard to also get it to just cover completely. This was super. It was easy, but it did take time. I will not be one of those YouTubers that tell you this only took me around 30 minutes or 2 hours. No, this took me the entire night. I kid you not. So if you want to do this, please have some patience. Yes, so let me get into explaining what's happening. So the part that I'm going to be using to wrap around to make it a lock, I'm just going to separate it to make it as fluffy as I can, so that I use it to wrap, and it's easier because when it's together, when it's not fluffy, it's not easy to wrap, and it's going to just look off. Also, can you just take a moment to appreciate how clean my face looks? Hey, what is acne? I don't know. Anyway, so we're wrapping around the base first, just to make sure it's secured. Like we always say, secure that thing. Kabisa secure. I'm going to keep looking at my viewfinder just to make sure. Pauline na chungulia, just to make sure it's recording, because I had pre-recorded something before and it flopped, so I just needed to make sure it was in frame. So I'm just wrapping around. I know it looks tight right now, but after I let it go, it's going to puff up and look like the rest. Yeah, so I'm just, as you can see, you have to use a mirror also just to make sure you're overlapping the first one, just to make sure it comes together. Now you see that finger action I've just done, that's what is going to add the more distressed look. So you put a finger, you wrap, and then, so I'm doing it again, put a finger, wrap, and then remove the finger and wrap. See how it adds the distressed situation? Yeah, so don't worry if the braid ends halfway before you get to the desired length that you want. All you need to do is finish the piece that you are wrapping around, and then take another piece and continue wrapping until you get to your desired length. As you can see, I was close to my length, but not as much. So I take a different piece, remember rip, because if you don't do that, it's going to tangle so bad, and it's going to be so bad. When I was making my afro wig, I didn't rip, and it was hard. So take it from me, ladies, you need to do that. So fluff it around like we did in the beginning, and then wrap around. So the action you can see right now is me wrapping. No, it's me fluffing it, sorry. So now I'm just going to show you how I'm going to hold it. So take half of the piece and hold with the other half that's remaining, and take the other half that you fluffed and continue wrapping around from where you left off. You can wrap, you can continue doing the finger thingy so that you can get the distressed look, but if you want to stop there, it's okay. You can do it once, as many times as you want. I did it a lot because I really wanted the complete distressed look. So once you get to the length that I want, all I need to do is start wrapping. You see how I was wrapping downwards? Now I just need to wrap upwards. Yes, some people use glue or fire just to make sure the ends of the locks are secured, but you don't really need to. If you continue wrapping and wrapping and wrapping and wrapping and wrapping and wrapping, it's going to end up in such a small little thing that all you need to do is tie it and it will be secured. As you can see, I've just done that, and then I snipped off the end. So this is how it looks, my desired length. When it's alone it looks weird, but when it's all together it looks really good. So this is just to make sure the lock is even and so that the roots of my hair they're not pulled. You also want to do this style when your hair is washed, deep conditioned, you know, all that good stuff, oiled, because this is a protective style and you want to make sure you protect your crown under there. We're not trying to pull and tag and break off at the end of this protective style. So this is how the style looks. I love it. I will not lie to you, I did this style I think a day before when I was recording this part, and then I realized I had one more that was left. I think I was traumatized, honestly, from how tired I was. I had a busy day and then I came home to do this. So let me go do that one that's left, and then I'll come back and we can sign off. Sawa? Bado stick around, kuna giveaway inakuja. Haya, sister amefika. Look at cheki maneno. Huyu nani? Huyu ni mwenye mliona akianza. Uko sasa alikuwa na matuta. No, yes, maybe. But yes, I love this hair. It's super fun, it's versatile. You can do whatever it is you want with it. You can make it long. If I used 2 packs and this is the length that I got. So if you want maybe longer, maybe fuller, you'd need maybe 4 packs or 5, I think, because you've reached to this part of the video. I think you deserve to get some goodies. So me and the good people from Sister Kenya are doing a giveaway. We will give 2 packs of this to 2 people. All you have to do, I'll leave the link to my Instagram in the description box. All you have to do is go to that post and tag 2 friends who you think will rock this, and what you like about this hair and this style, and where you'd rock it. That's all. And we can see who the winner will be. The winner will be announced. You'll see in the caption. Sawa. Okay. Usiwache nyuma, we have to slay. Okay. So that's all for the video, honestly. Bye.